What is blockchain? Blockchain is a chain of blocks where each block has a reference to its previous block. Each block has a unique identifier called block hash. For example, for this block, the block hash is this one. This block hash is calculated by combining all these fields that you see it on the screen, and it is also referring to the previous block hash. So this is the block hash of block number 1305. So let me open up this block, and you can see the block hash for this block is 0000F6, and it is referred as a previous block hash here. So let me quickly show you how to calculate the block hash. I won't be using all the fields to calculate the block hash. So it is just to give you an idea how to calculate the block hash. Or so I'm using the previous block hash. This is a random block hash field, and then the nuance value. A nuance value field is a numeric field, but for simplicity, I'm using it as a string here. Merkle root, don't worry about this field if you don't know what is Merkle root. In the subsequent videos, I'll tell you what is Merkle root. Then I'm combining all these three fields together and putting the result in the result field. I'm adding the result field in the SHA-256 and then block hash.hex digest to see the value in the hexadecimal form. Now, if I change anything in any of these fields, you will see entirely a different block hash. For example, let me try changing the Merkle root. I'm just removing the 2 from the Merkle root, and then I'm combining the fields together with the updated value of Merkle root. Now that we have the updated value in the result field, let's put the result field in the SHA-256 to get the block hash, and then display the value in the hexadecimal form. As you can see, by just changing or removing the number 2 from the Merkle root, we are seeing entirely a different block hash. Since all the blocks are linked together via block hash, so by changing anything in any of the block will break your entire blockchain. If you want to learn how to create your own blockchain from scratch, just like this one, consider enrolling for our advanced blockchain course. You will not only learn how to create blockchain, but also how to create blockchain explorer to interact with our blockchain just like this one.